Why women treat you differently than the men that they date. Rejection hurts because it makes us feel inadequate as a person and potential partner. It crushes our self-esteem, confidence, and basically all around makes us feel like crap. We all experience some form of rejection in life, so let's be realistic, but the goal is to minimize rejection. Women reject men for a variety of reasons, and it's something men just don't understand. So men continue down the same path that lead them to rejection and wonder why their results with women isn't getting any better. Why do women keep rejecting certain guys? So here are 5 reasons why most women reject men. Reason number 1, you have no real career ambition. We all know that there are women out there who will only date men of a certain profession or net income. If you don't fit their requirements, they won't date you, period. You might think it's not fair, but every man should have a career or business ambition to be a real man. What makes a man is his drive for more out of life. This drive is incredibly attractive to women. The majority of women do not have a specific profession or financial requirements that need to be matched by the men that they date. What they do want is a man who shows stability and ambition in whatever he chooses to do. That means if you have a stable career path with room to grow and you're motivated to do so, you probably succeeded in satisfying that requirement. Now, some men get rejected because they can't show women that they have a stable economic future. It's men who never have a stable job or career and who don't seem to be trying to improve their situation that repels women. Even men who are striving to build a business of their own can fall into this category if they've been doing it for too long without any financial reward. Guys, you can be the most handsomest and smartest dude in town, but if you can't show a woman that you have financial stability, your chances of dating will suffer. The solution is to have either a great job or get involved in a real business that has potential to grow in the near future. Reason number 2, your reputation sucks with women. If you have a reputation for dating women and hurting them, other ladies will hear about this and avoid you. Everyone has relationships in their past that didn't work out. But if you date enough women from the same city, at some point, your reputation will catch up with you. Work through your issues, preferably with the help of a therapist, mentor, or coach. Maybe you can even work it out on your own. It doesn't really matter how you do it, as long as you make sure not to get involved in any other relationship until you do. Reason number 3, you're coming across too strong or not strong enough. There's a fine line between coming across overbearing and confident, just like there is between being nice and being boring. Women want a decisive man who can take control, but she also wants to know you will give her options and space for her to move. A woman's reaction will be your indication if you have gone too far or not far enough. Have a plan when you date or approach her so you can come across as a man with direction. But give her room to add to the plan so she feels involved and not just a spectator. Reason number 4, you are friend-zoning yourself badly. Here's the thing, even if she thinks that she has already friend-zoned you, you can actually change her mind. Friend-zoning usually happens when you are too available and too nice. She feels safe around you and can trust you, which is great. But you also need to add a little bit of danger and excitement by not always agreeing with what she says and does and by taking control a little more. Allow her to see you in positions where you can show your leadership skills and have other women respond to you. Don't always be so available, and every time things get a little bit platonic, step back and get her to chase you a little bit more. Reason number 5, your lack of confidence is betraying you. I'm not going to lie to you, but women are ridiculously attracted to a confident man. Confidence is about projecting yourself in a certain way, even if you don't feel like it. Focus on your strengths, not your weaknesses. Use strong body language and your knowledge about what women want to your advantage to appear more confident. Dress to impress and always have a plan. Lastly, I will say this, you're not always going to be everyone's cup of tea. So when you don't get the woman you have your eyes on, don't think of it as a rejection. Think of it as a redirection onto another woman who will be better in so many ways. Don't get stuck in that moment of defeat. Instead, take it on board, learn something from it, and use it to your advantage for the next woman who comes along. There will always be a new woman that comes along. Thanks for watching this Evolution of Dating presentation. As a gift for taking action to be an irresistible man, I want to give you a free copy of my guide, 5 Secret Psychological Tricks to Attracting Beautiful Women. It shows you how women think and what makes them attracted to men. Click the link in the description below of this video to watch the next video that shows you how to get this free guide. Or just click the image on the right side of this screen to be taken directly to the video that shows you how to access my free guide. If you enjoyed this video to help you attract hot women, subscribe to this channel to join the Evolution of Dating community. I'm Isaac Wilson, and I'll see you in the next video.